Namaste and welcome back to our channel. I'm your host, and in today's video, we will delve into the fascinating world of investment and trading. Many people use these terms interchangeably, but they actually refer to different financial activities. Understanding the core differences between investment and trading is crucial for making informed decisions and maximizing your financial gains. So, let's get started. Before we go any further, let's take a moment to understand what investment and trading actually mean. Investment and trading are two distinct approaches to wealth management and financial growth. Investment typically refers to the long-term allocation of funds into assets with the goal of generating returns over a considerable period of time. Investments are generally associated with lower risk and a focus on capital appreciation. On the other hand, trading involves short-term buying and selling of financial instruments, such as stocks, currencies, or commodities, with the primary objective of generating profits within a shorter time frame. Traders often take advantage of price fluctuations in the market to make quick gains. To better understand the differences, let's dive into some examples. Example 1. Investment. Imagine you have a sum of money and you decide to invest it in the stock market. You carefully select a mix of stocks from different industries that you believe have a strong growth potential. You are aiming for long-term appreciation of your capital. You hold these stocks, maybe for several years, and reap the benefits of dividends and capital gains as the companies grow. This is a classic example of investment. Example 2. Trading. Now, let's consider the example of trading. Assume that you closely monitor the stock market and identify a temporary undervaluation of a particular company's stock. You believe this undervaluation will correct itself soon. So, you buy the stock at a lower price and plan to sell it once it reaches its fair value, which could be within a few days or weeks. Here, your aim is to make a profit from the temporary market inefficiency. This is an example of trading. Strategies and tips. Both investment and trading require careful planning and strategy. Here are a few key tips to help you navigate these activities successfully. Choose an investment or trading style that aligns with your risk appetite and financial goals. Diversify your portfolio to minimize risk and maximize potential returns. Stay informed about market trends and developments. Apply fundamental and technical analysis techniques to make well-informed decisions. Continuously monitor and adjust your investments or trades based on market dynamics. Consider seeking professional advice if needed. Understanding the difference between investment and trading is essential, as each strategy has its own benefits and risks. Remember, investment focuses on building wealth over time, while trading aims to generate shorter-term profits. Both approaches require knowledge, research, and discipline. We hope this video has shed some light on the concepts of investment and trading. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content. Stay tuned for our next video, where we will explore more investment and trading strategies. Thank you for watching.